Hello and welcome to another lesson on site development. And in this lesson, we're going to go ahead and use one of the WordPress plugin to see how we can add Google AdSense to our WordPress blog. Okay. In our previous lesson, we dealt with how to create the account, the Google AdSense account. We also have our codes here. And we learn how to paste them on our blog. That is one of the alternatives. And in this tutorial, we're going to look ahead and go ahead and see some other two alternatives. One of them is using the WordPress plugin, and the other one is how to paste the codes in the header tag on the blog. Let's delve right into that. So there we go here at the back end here. So basically, first thing first, let's quickly go to the dashboard group. And under the dashboard group, you go to plugins, you come to add new, you search for a plugin called SiteKit. Okay, so we have it, SiteKit by Google. Okay, this is created by Google, so that is a good move for us. So we go ahead and install this. After installation, we go ahead and activate it. And once it's activated, we proceed from here. Congratulations, the SiteKit plugin is now activated. Go to start setup. So we're going to go ahead and make sure by the time we finish, the plugin is going to link our site to the Google AdSense and display the codes, or sorry, the ads automatically once the Google approves our ads. Okay, so let's sign in with our Google account. So before doing this, you would have to make sure that you have your account, AdSense account created, which you've already done that. Okay, so say sign in with Google. You go ahead and choose your email address. Okay, make sure this too is selected. You go to continue. You go to proceed. Okay, so we allow these options. Go to add sites. Okay, so now congratulations, so done. Simple as that, easy and simple. Okay, so with this, it's going to go ahead and connect our site to the Google AdSense, and then once it's approved, ads will begin to display on our site. And you know the requirements to meet before you're able to, or before Google can approve your blog for the ads to what appear. Okay, so go to the dashboard. So here you can see Search Console is connected. So let's go ahead and connect Google AdSense service. Here we're going to use our email address. So you make sure the same email address is what we use to create our Google AdSense account. So make sure of that. Very important. Continue from there. Perfect. You verify that your site is marked as read. Perfect. Continue from there. Perfect. It's also connected, meaning our account is linked. So simple as that. We go to connect analytics as well, where we can see and keep track of every move on our Google AdSense account. As simple as that. So you make sure everything here is intact. So here you can go ahead and choose your country. Here's Ghana. Choose this. Then we go ahead and create an account. Okay, so you do that. So you follow the same procedure. You make sure this tool is selected. Click continue. Network seems a bit slow, so let's see how it goes. Loading. Mhm. Network is a bit slow, so let's see, it should pop up any moment from now. That's okay. Perfect. So you go ahead and make sure, okay, let's use our country here, Ghana once again. GH. Ghana is not stated here, but we've already choose that in our previous page. Okay, so um Ghana should be here. Let's try searching it and see. Ghana is not here. Okay. Ghana is not here. So you go ahead, you just make sure it's like that though. Okay, so you go ahead and accept the terms and conditions and then accept this one as well. Then you accept here too, then perfect. Should be good to go from here. You go ahead and accept this finally. Success. So we are done. Your analytics was still created. So we go to the dashboard now. And then we get to see that everything is now intact. So all this is connected, and then our Google AdSense account is now linked to our WordPress website with just a click of a mouse. Okay, so now let's check and see what is happening on our WordPress website. Sorry, Google AdSense account. So yes, Google AdSense. Sorry, we sign into Google AdSense now. Follow this. Perfect. We can see our site is here listed here. You can add another site if you want. So you go to ads, add by, so you can see here automatically if we set this to be on, what it means is that that is auto ads. If we set, now that it is off, it means we can be able to control the ads that will pop up on our blog or website. Okay, but once we turn it on, what it means is that the ads can just appear anyhow, anywhere on a blog. Okay, so that is how what it means. And basically, if it happens like that, some of the users don't like those ads appearing plenty on a blog or website. So you can see that it will limit the visitors of your website from visiting the sites on regular basis because of the ads. So you have to be able to control the ads. If you wish, okay, you still want to have it displayed, you can edit this, all right, and turn it on here. You can see that automatically to display your ads. Okay, so basically that is about, for now I think it should be off. Okay, so once it's like this, when I do it this way, you can see this how the ads will pop up. You can see the example here at the top here on a mobile device. It will pop up like that at the top. But let's see what happens on the PC, like desktop. Okay, so you can see that it's appearing at the bottom here automatically. It can appear just anywhere. You can see it's appearing at the top here as well. It will appear here too, and then at the bottom as well. So basically I think that is that. Now the other alternative, so here you can keep track of everything of yours here. Sorry, let me cancel this. Let me just, so here, let's go back from here. Let's go home here. So here you can keep track of whatever is happening here. Now we can go ahead and choose this. Okay, click here to explore and then add your payment procedure, sorry, information that is required of you. Add your address, staff, city here, phone number here, and then do all that. It's very important because once you reach the your account threshold, that is 100 USD, they're going to pay you through your account. So you make sure you add those details. Is very important. Let's quickly go back home here as well. And then there are other things too I would want us to see. Okay, What's that? For now, Google, once this is connected, they will have to access your blog, go through your blog and see what is happening there, how your things are arranged. Have you made the requirement that is required of you to meet before ads can be displayed? Once everything is set and done, they will just approve it, and then you have the ads appearing on your blog without any problem, without any stress. Okay, now let's look at the other alternative that I'm talking about. Like I said, we can equally paste our ads wherever we want them on our blog. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So that as well, we go to the dashboard group, then we come to appearance. Okay, let's come to appearance, then we come to theme editor, we go to understand, accept this. So now let's look for the header, um the header stuffs here. Yeah, very good. We have the theme footer, and then we have the theme header. So select this and use this. So now we are going to paste this. Basically, these are some of the HTML and CSS codes here, as well as JavaScript. So this shouldn't be something new to those of us who are good at that. Okay, so you just select this, and then you can just paste your codes here. That is in between the head tags. Okay, that is where it should be pasted. So you can just come here, copy this, Control A to copy, Control C. Sorry, Control A to select, Control C to copy. Sorry. You go ahead and then paste it here. Control V to paste. So once you are done pasting, you go to what, update file. Okay. So once the file is updated quickly, we can go back to our site. Let's see. I can see file edited successfully. So what it means is that it's going to appear. Let's go to the site and view something. What it means is that it's going to appear at the header, the top of our site block here. So you can see that the lecture has just come down here. So it means the ads are here now. They will appear here. Initially, it wasn't here. The let's share is at the top. So what it means is that now when a visitor visits your website, this is what is going to happen. The ads will pop up at the top here. Okay. If you don't want it there as well, you can maybe include it at the bottom, the footer as well. You can decide to include it there. It doesn't matter. And how do you do that? You can still go ahead and go to the dashboard group as well. So it depends. I'm giving you a lot of options to choose from how you want your ads to appear on your blog. Okay. So you can go to theme editor once again. So here, let's locate we talk of the theme header now, the theme footer. Let's look for the theme footer. Theme footer is here as well. So with this one, let's just scroll down and see where we can just go ahead and paste our codes here. You be very careful, very cool. The opening and then the closing tag of the footer. So this is the footer, this is the footer, the opening tag of the footer, and the closing tag is here. So in between here and there, and just go ahead and then paste it here. Once you paste it, you go ahead and update your file here once again. The file updated successfully. So we should visit our site now. You go to the footer, you should see another option there as well. So you can see the ads too can appear somewhere here. You can see that it has increased the size of the footer. So we can have the ads too popping up here like that. So whichever you want. I've given you a lot of options to choose. If you like, you can take it off from here. You see where you pasted it, you can go ahead and remove it from there if you don't want it. So basically, these are some of the ways we can apply Google AdSense codes to our WordPress. So with this, Google will have to review your account and see what is happening on your blog, your posts, your content, no copyrights and all that. Once everything is set and done, your account will be approved, ads will begin to display on your website. So that is that about this lesson. We are done with the issues of Google AdSense. So in our next lesson, we're going to see how we can convert our site into an app. So to do that, I will need this address. Okay, so let me just copy this as my site address. I can just create a new file here. Then I can name it site address. Let's open it, Control V to paste, and then close it now. So basically we are done with this lesson. So in our next lesson, we're going to convert our website into an app, and it's going to be very simple. So you can see SiteKit, that's what it does. Just go ahead and show the ads that. So basically that is that. So till our next lesson. So thank you very much and bye for now.